Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to download your Suno AI song on PC in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for suno.com. Now, once you are on Suno AI, you need to simply just log in into your account. Once you are in your account, your homepage should look something like this, where you will see all of the library and all of the songs that are created by Suno AI's community. Here you can create your own song. So in order to do it, click on the create option in the left hand section and you will be landed on this page. You need to define whether you want to create a simple song or you want to provide further details and create a custom song. Now, whichever method you choose, you need to simply provide either the lyrics or you need to provide the description of the song. You can also seek help from the AI, which is built in over here. For that, you need to click on this dice type of option and it is gonna be providing you the lyrics or the theme of your song. So if you are okay with it, you can select it, or if you want to change it, you can click on this dice option again and it is gonna be changing. After providing a bunch of other details over here, you need to click on the create option in the bottom. After clicking on the create option, it is going to take some time and generate the song for you, which will come in the left hand section. As you can see, these are the songs that I have created previously. Now, among the songs that you have in your list, you will have to select the one which you want to download. You can access them either from the create option over here, or you can click on the library option, and in your library you will see the list of all of the songs that you have created. So you need to select that particular song which you want to download. Let's say you want to download this song. So after selecting it, click on the three dots right next to it, hover over to the download option, and you can either generate the video of this song or you can download the mp3 or the audio option. If you have a free plan, you can't use it for commercial use, so click on the download anyway option and it will come in your PC or laptop. So this is how you can download the songs from Suno AI very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.